Okay, so machine learning has been around for decades, but how are foundation models and traditional machine learning models different? The size and general purpose nature of foundation models make them different to traditional machine learning models, which typically perform specific tasks like sentiment analysis and image classification. For traditional machine learning models, in order to achieve each task, you need to gather labeled data, train a model, and deploy that model. Now with foundation models, you can use the same pre-trained foundation model to adapt to several tasks. You can also customize them to perform domain-specific functions that are differentiating to your business. And the best thing is that these only use a small fraction of the data and compute required to train a model from scratch. So AWS has you covered. We've got a wide range of foundation models for you to fine-tune via SageMaker and Bedrock, so you can go and build your own GenAI applications on AWS. Join us to find out more.